Good morning, students. We are going to study from your applied English book. We are going to continue. We were studying biographical sketch, chapter number 4, biographical sketch. Now the next biographical sketch we will discuss. You all open page number 50 page. Here assignment B14. First number, PT Usha. PT Usha was great athlete of our country. About her, this is the bio sketch. First, let's see the hint. Short group of words, phrases as hints. We have to write them in complete full sentences. Birth June 27, 1964 at Paoli, Kerala. Teacher O.P. Nambiar, the noted athlete coach. Noted means famous coach. Medals won 13 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze in Asian Track and Field Championship between 1983 to 89. Total medals won 102. Titles: Indian Golden Girl and Asia's Sprint Queen. Sprint means running. Awards: Padma Shri and Arjun Award in 1984. So how we will write complete sentences? You have to write. First line we will write PT Usha. PT Usha is, not was, she is alive, she is not dead. PT Usha is a great Indian athlete. She was born, not is born. Any person living or dead, always we write was born. She was born on 27 June 1964 at Paoli in Kerala. O.P. Nambiar was her teacher. He was a famous athlete coach. He was a famous athlete coach. PT Usha won 13 gold medals, 3 silver and 1 bronze in Asian Track and Field Championship between 1983 and 1989. 1989. Total medals she has won. Total 102 medals she has won. She has been given the titles Indian Golden Girl and Asia's Sprint Queen, running queen. Awards: she was honored. She was honored with Padma Shri and Arjun Award in 1984. Finish. Second number, Albert Einstein. We all know Albert Einstein was one of the most famous scientists of the world. About him: birth 1879, Ulm, Germany. Education: early education in Germany, higher education in Switzerland. Great achievement: discovery of theory of relativity 1905. Awards: Nobel Prize in Physics 1921. other interest, playing violin, fought for the independence of Israel, fought against Nazi operations. Death, April 18, 1955 in the USA. Short words, phrases are given here as hint. We have to explain it in complete sentences. So first line will write, Albert Einstein was one of the greatest scientists of the world. Albert Einstein was one of the greatest scientists of the world. He was born at Ulm in Germany in 1879. He received his early education in Germany. He went to Switzerland for higher education. He went to Switzerland for higher education. His great achievement was the discovery of the theory of relativity. His great achievement was the discovery of the theory of relativity in 1905. He won the Nobel Prize. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. His other interests were playing violin, he also fought for the independence of Israel and against Nazi operations under the leadership of Hitler. Against Nazi operations, this great scientist of the world died on April 18, 1955 in the USA. This way we will write. That's all for today. Thank you.